Creativity in Africa.
GH4stem Juniors Challenge. From the Greater Accra region of Ghana, we have Penelope Dafeamekpo. Penelope is a junior scientist at Falset Foundation School. There, she conducts an incandescent bulb experiment. For this, she needs a candle, some graphite, 12 batteries, and some crocodile clips. Now let's see what she can light up with these few important items.
To begin the experiment, I'm going to check the voltage of our battery. The voltage of our battery is approximately 1.5. We are going to connect them in series. Now, we are going to check the total voltage of all the batteries together. So we are getting approximately 18 volts. So now we are going to connect wires to the terminals of the battery holder, using the black wire as a negative, red wire as the positive terminal. Connect the end of the wires through the wood support to the tripod stand. I am going to connect the wires to the tissue holder using duct tape. I'm going to use the sealant to seal the hole. Now I'm going to place my graphite in between the crocodile clips. I'm going to pour my oil around to prevent oxygen from penetrating through the glass jar. I'm going to light my candle.
The candle will go off because of lack of oxygen to support it.
And now that the candle is done burning, we are going to switch on our light. So the graphite is glowing and it serves as an incandescent light bulb. So I'm going to control it with a switch.
Light bulbs can emit light after a filament is heated. This is an incandescent light bulb. The voltage will drive the current into the graphite. A voltmeter is used to check the voltage. So now you see how to create your own light bulb. Cool, right? Then you can try it yourself at home or with your friend from school. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4stem. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.
Comment.
Subscribe.